Hi there, beautiful people. I'm just reviewing this Biotin Jelly snack pack. They are 5,000 microgram fruity chews, and they come with 21 individually wrapped vitamins for thicker, longer, stronger hair and nail growth. They come in juicy. This one is juicy grape. They come in these little packages that are about, let's see how many grams. They're 15 grams. It's a dietary supplement. I've been using these for about 2 weeks. I've found that my nails and my hair are stronger and my hair feels a lot more luscious. And this is the package, what they look like. They're in here. This is closed, and this one here is open, and if you squeeze it just a little bit, this jelly comes out, and I will take a bite of it, and you can hear how delicious it is. Very good. It's really good. It alleviates the need for any sort of supplement of taking pills. It makes your life a little easier. You can kind of throw it in your purse, just take it with you. Like I said, it's good for hair and nails, and I think skin as well. Yes, for skin. And 30 calories. It's really not a whole lot. It's got minimal amounts of calcium, sodium, and potassium. It's edible biotin, and it's something I heard of because my hair was falling out a little bit, and I was losing some of the amount of hair that I had, and so I had a friend that told me about these Biotin jellies and said they're a really easy supplement to take. It's actually, grape is my favorite flavor, so it's really delicious. Texture of the product it's jelly. It's fine. It's kind of like a gummy bear, a little bit more soft than a gummy bear. I usually use it in the evening before I go to bed. You just pop it open, squeeze it out, take a bite, and there you go. It's really, really super easy, and like I said, delicious. You can definitely take this on a plane, just a supplement, something very small. Like I said, it'll fit in your purse. Easy to use. Something I really actually enjoy about taking instead of not taking it. Here's how to eat it. Hold the packet, tear the packet from the top, insert your mouth, and consume by squeezing the packet. Take one a day, and like I said, it's a super high dose. 16,666% of your daily value. So, like I said, it's been working for me. I enjoy it. It's made with natural sugar. Like I said, it is delicious. It helps you with your health. Portable. And it looks like this one expires 9/19. So, pretty good there. And it's smooth. Goes down easy. I don't think there are any other flavors or colors that this comes in. I think it's just the straight grape jelly. So if you're a grape fan, like I am, I love grape Jolly Ranchers. These actually taste a little bit like grape Jolly Ranchers. Company that makes it is Nutra Belief, and Don't know how old the company is or where it is located. Let's see if we can find something here on the package. Also, it says to check with your doctor if you're pregnant, nursing, taking medication, or have a health condition, or are planning for a medical procedure. Consult your professional before use. Continue use and consult a doctor if any adverse reaction occurs. This product can be a choking hazard. It should be chewed properly before swallowing. Like I said, it's super easy, nice and jelly, good texture. I've recommended it to some of my friends and family because I enjoy it and it's giving me a boost with my hair, and like I said, my nails look real good, and it doesn't need to be refrigerated. It can be left out. Yeah, so this is just a really great supplement. Just trying it, at least giving you a, I'm gonna finish the whole box. There's 21 in here, so that's a 3-week supply. And I'm going to get some for my husband as well, so that he can have more luscious and strong nails and strong hair, and just something I really enjoy, and a nice little product to add to my beauty regimen. Really like it. That's about it. So these are the Nutra Belief Biotin Jellies that are in Grape. Check them out.